Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the hashtag 2022 Doodle Challenge JUL, hosted by Julie of Art and Junk Journals with Julie and Leigh of Leigh's Art Studio. This will be the last Doodle Challenge and it's been so much fun. Be sure and check out Julie and Leigh's channels. They are so talented. I have learned so much from these ladies and it has been so much fun. They also do the collage challenge each month. And be sure and check out the hashtag so that you can see what everyone has done. The hashtag hasn't been working right, but hopefully they'll get that fixed soon. You can still find some of the doodles. This month's prompts are straight lines, highlighted in silver, and insects. And of course there are a few bonus prompts like stenciling, stamping, or you can just do whatever you want to and not follow the prompts. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, I'm very frustrated because my camera wasn't on. I had to stop to do something, and when I came back I just started working without even thinking about it. But what I've done is with the stencil, I went around everything with this silver paint pen, and then I outlined that with a black Sharpie. And with one green pen, I went in and just with straight lines just did the centers of the leaves from this stencil, and I started off with one of my gel prints, and then I came back with this one and went around the edges with just straight lines, and it just really makes it pop. And with my white gel pen, I started with this one and went through the center and just went straight out and just did different lines. This one I did just little dash lines, and the four corners I just went from the corner out, and these two I just did the little where you just get smaller and smaller and smaller. And I added in my stickers, silver stickers, they're flowers, and now I'm going to add in my butterflies. I'm so sorry that I did not have my camera on. It's pretty simple and self-explanatory. It's just very frustrating for me. So now I'm going to add in my butterflies and I will continue on. finished. Like I said, I apologize again for not cutting on my camera, but I did a little bit more embellishment on my butterflies. I tried to keep as much of the straight line as I could, but I did do some like circles and dots where there are circles and dots on the butterfly. And I outlined the butterflies and the flowers to make them pop from the page. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Leigh and Julie's channels, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2022 Doodle Challenge JUL. And until next time, bye y'all.